Hello guys, I'm here. What do you call that? Betty's vlog for today. Yeah, I'll do a video. I just got here. Today is Wednesday, July 16. Yeah, so I just check only. I want to check the house. So we're here. Look at that. Look at that. Magkaya kang video, hanap mo, ay? Oh, sige. So here. Excuse me. They're still working here, yeah. Patakla, bandido. Oh, daddy, patakla. Daddy, patakla, bandito. So, yeah. Wala ako may merienda. Wala akong mabsi kayo. Nana? Ali. Tatakla ako naman eh. Ako. Nakakalingon kaya pining ka na akong payong. Mendam ko kaya danek kalati. Panganak yun. May tugtungan niya pala ini eh. May tugtungan niya pala ini. Kalaksak niya pang mutan. Wala na naman. Anyway, how are you, Jessie? How are you? I will talk to you in English, okay? Oh, you can't flip it, huh? Emi adala. Oh, yeah, okay. So this is the spare room. Ay, kaya di ka munta. Yeah. This the back where I can hang my clothes here. This is the spare room for the visitors. Siyempre mga tangaintindihan ring English. So, ay, yeah. And this is the living room. Malati yan. Amo, post kaya pa. And so this is the dining. And then the kitchen. Yeah. Kitchen. Yan. Po pala ito. Tamang video ako pala. So this is John's room.
Diyan yung kalso ha. Ano na kailangan mong kalsuhan para galaw-galaw.
Galaw-galaw ang. This is where you can go at the back at the garage. Yeah. I will put store here. Sari-sari store. Ay, sige. Okay. Winking. This is the master bedroom. Three minutes siya pa. Ay, 4 minutes siya pa. Bandito, patakla.
Dong lagi dia kami pakai pusan mula kan biasa kan. Jadi mulung punan jam biasa ini kaya. Oh, menggunakan kamu
It's cloudy today. Cloudy. Good thing.
Nangulap.
Una, malapit eh. Nakasilali. Ana. this is the side. The lanai. This will be my kitchen. Big kitchen. So guys, that's all for today, vlogs. See you tomorrow. Pinandit. Pinandit. Yeah. I think it's big outside. Big. So yeah. Kinain ko na lang. Yeah, so it's hot. Not hot, but cloudy.
Siyempre, tuloy niyo pa kanilita po ito. Hindi makapulitan niya. Huwag mo manapulitan.
So that's all guys. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.